July 14th, 2021. Das Ahrtal in the Eifel, a narrow, picturesque valley of the river Ahr, has been hit extremely hard by floodings. 134 people are being killed. In addition, about 800 people are injured and dozens of people are missing. Thousands of residents are losing their homes, and the total damage caused by the floods in 2 federal states is estimated at 30 billion euros.
Good morning guys, welcome back. As you can see by the intro of this video has been made in a little bit of a different style than I usually do. And that's not without a reason, because the hike we did yesterday was also a hike that was a little bit different than others. We went to the Eifel. That's nothing different, you know how much I love the Eifel, but we've been to a new area called das Ahrtal, or the Valley of the Ahr, and the Ahr is a river that's flowing there. And usually the Eifel only brings joy, laughter and good feelings. But yesterday's hike was a hike with mixed feelings, because it was a hike that combined the beauty of the Eifel, the gorgeous fall colors, but also the devastating views of the floodings. And that made it quite a hard hike for me, because you can see so much damage. It's been more than over a year, almost a year and a half that this flooding has been, and people are struggling so much to rebuild their homes, rebuild their lives. And when you're hiking there, all around you see all the beauty in the mountains, and you're looking down in the valley and you see all that sadness, everything being destroyed and people trying so hard to rebuild it again. And they are not really helpful in Germany to help out these people, and they are not being paid by insurances, they are not being paid by the government to help them to rebuild everything. So they are organizing a sort of event called Wandern für den Wiederaufbau, which means in English, hiking to rebuild. And during this event they try to raise some money to rebuild everything again. So there are several stands in the mountains where you can buy food, wine, because this region is known for the wine production, little bracelets like this one. I've got one obviously, and it says Solidarität. And there you can see the Ahr. They made it thick because that fits in the word nicely. Solidarität means solidarity. So you can buy these ones, for example, they were €5, and that money all goes to rebuilding the Valley of the Ahr. And of course I wanted to buy something because I wanted to do something, as the Eifel means so much to me, as you know. And therefore I decided to go a little bit different on this video as well, because it's not a regular Eifel hike. And people who are living there are saying on July 14th, 2021, the clock stopped ticking and time has stood still ever since. And that I wanted to work into this video and make it a sort of video that represents that feeling of time standing still. And therefore I decided to not use any video shots in this video, but I decided to make a whole video out of photos, so you have a little bit of the feeling of time standing still, although I will try to tell a story throughout the photos. So I hope that you appreciate the idea about it, that you can see the idea about it, and I hope that you enjoy it.